Hey guys, how are you getting on? I have a Jcb 540 170 here. We'll just go through the controls tonight, I say, boss. Yeah, okay, start her up. So I got my controller here. Pull it back there to lift the boom, drop it forward to drop the boom. Got this guy here, tips up the forks, tips down the forks. Yeah, I've got left, extend out the boom, or right, sorry. Yeah, right extends out the boom, and the left brings in the boom. Yeah, controls there. Two more here. These two, yeah. These two here, they drop down the jack legs at the front. Yeah. That's about it, really. They have a switch here for the extension of the last boom out. There's 3 booms there. You can flick that fella there to extend that out the last bit. Yeah, controls there. There are my gears. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. She's in second at the moment. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. First, second, third, fourth. Yeah, third is pretty handy. Down here, handbrake. So yeah, handbrake down, and just reverse. Yeah. She's saying there. Third reverse, see it there. And then it's stop, third neutral. And then third forward. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, thanks guys.